Hello, my name's Jean Chan. I'm the set and costume designer for Petula.
Hi, my name's Branwen and I'm the music composer and sound designer for Petula.
The stage design that I've created is a space that's playful but also links in with how Pwll has extended his mind into the space.
The music is quite important to distinguish the different areas that Pwll visits and to give an overall sense of space and the cosmos. So a lot of the music I've made is quite kind of expansive, I suppose, space-infused.
Working with Pwll has been really exciting. We've known each other for almost 10 years, so it's quite easy and we have a set language of how we can work together.
Kizzy Crawford is an excellent collaborator. When I found out she was playing Petula, I was very grateful. She's got loads of experience in popular music and creating music production, as well as being a great singer. So it meant that I could really push things out of the kind of normal boundaries that you might find working in a production like this.
Currently working with the Green Book, and so many things from that has really enforced what our stage looks like. Our costume, everything that you see on stage, hopefully is sustainable this year. So that's something that's been quite an effort to do right, but also quite an incredible thing to be able to then take forward for all the other work that I can produce on stage.
The music has taken a long time to create because I've been working on Petula for nearly 2 years now. And I started by exploring different genres of music that I thought were appropriate. So I went and listened to lots of cosmic jazz and science fiction soundtracks and things like that. Then used my music software to create interesting sounds and timbres and create a whole sound world. Basically came up with a few short themes, one main theme which is Pwll's theme, which is just a couple of notes, and throughout the play those few notes get kind of reinterpreted in lots of different genres and styles.
We've been able to create quite abstract and expressionistic costumes for certain characters. My favourite character at the moment I think is Neil Armstrong that we see in space. I think that possibly is my favourite bit of the show.
I think the bits of the show that I love the most are Petula's little announcements. I've created this kind of idea musically where she takes the music of what's been going on before and then turns it into some like electronic beats and then sings or speaks over the top with crazy effects on her voice. And that happens a few times in the play and every time I just love it.
The idea that he's got all of these people around him but he doesn't quite belong there, and he goes on this cosmic journey of being able to look for his cousin who's lost. Her name's Petula, and it's about his journey and the people that he meets and the journey that he goes on. It's a dark comedy but also sort of delves into sort of teenage problems or the angst that a teenager might hold in themselves.
I think audiences will feel like they've been on a pretty epic journey. Hopefully they'll feel a little bit like Pwll, in that they've gone all the way to the other end of the universe and back again.